a.m. and we are in trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground.
Here's my hotel, the Glasshouse.
No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever.
It smells like apple cinnamon in this hotel.
It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up.
Here goes. Let's check out my room at the Glasshouse. Ooh. Whoa, look at this. That's it. Hang out with the lounge. Okay. Look at that view. Edinburgh. Look at this. Right in the middle of it all. Look at this. Oh, I decided that I don't want to sit on the couch and watch TV. Whoa! I want to sit in bed and watch TV. Okay. Whoa! Look at this tub. What's this? Like a maybe it's like a foot washer. I think some heat needs to go in here. Yeah, it's a foot washer. I'm pretty sure.
That's the way it goes until we're in the ground. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down. And that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down. And that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't want to do this anymore.
I'm hungry, can you tell? Oh, this is beautiful. These nice flowery things. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. How fun. Garden terrace on the roof. This place is awesome. Oh, whoa. What a view! Wow! Oh my gosh, look at, it's like an island over there. I wonder what island that is. All of Edinburgh. That kind of looks like the Griffith Observatory right there. We are here today at the Snug Bar in the Glasshouse. I've got a cheese plate. Looks like that's a blue cheese, brie cheese. I'm not sure what that is. Some chutney and vegetables and fruit. We have 2 whiskeys here. I personally don't really like peaty. As you know, I don't drink, but I smell them. And I smelled quite a few today. And these seemed rather nicely finished, neater, softer, richer in flavor rather than really smoky, because a lot of whiskeys smell super smoky. The Dalwhinnie is from a place in Scotland called Inverness. It's a beautiful place in the Scottish countryside, very magical looking, very spectacular. And then the Aberlour was made in the Scottish Highlands. which I actually visited last time I was in Scotland, and it is so beautiful and wonderful that it's finished in sherry casks, which really gives it a beautiful, nice, soft, rich, and luxurious finish. So this is the Aberlour. It's very citrusy. Smell some apples, maybe some walnuts. You can open your mouth and get a different smell. Smell almost like almost like a brie cheese, like some other. It's like very tangy. Some cherries. Yeah, that's quite good. So in Scotland, you don't just drink the whiskey neat. You drink it neat the first time, but then you put a little bit of water in it. So see how it changes how it opens it up. Oh, now it's really appley. Very cherry. Walnut, raisins. Yeah, and you still have that really tangy, almost like brie cheese aftertaste. So I'm gonna smell this salsa to kind of cleanse the palate. Now here's the Dalwhinnie. Oh, this is so beautiful. It's really sweet. Like an apricot. Orange, like a dried orange almost. Fruit cake. Yeah, that's really, I think this is going to be the winner of the day. It's really lovely. Yeah, you smell all the fruits to it. It's a beautiful, I think this is going to be the best, but we'll see. This is Cheryl from the company's private whiskey locker. She has a lot of whiskeys. We don't have as many as she does, but we do have a few. So she has Macallan. We have some Macallans. She has Glenfarclas, which is really nice. It smells like Christmas. Is what I think of it. She has Galvany, which Galvany is a really solid whiskey, and Signet, which is where I'm headed shortly, up north in Scotland. Signet smells like chocolate. It's by Glenmorangie, probably the best whiskey I've ever smelled in my life. Highly recommend. She has Glengoyne, which I went to the Glengoyne distillery. Glenfiddich, which we also have. Another Glenmorangie. They're just so solid at Glenmorangie. Glenfiddich, we have Galvany again, which is amazing. Let's see, Glenfarclas, that's the Christmas one. And here's the Galvany again. So she has many. She has the very special Signet, which at Glenmorangie, they shut down the factory, the distillery, for 7 days, so nobody is allowed inside while they distill that whiskey, so nobody knows the ingredients.